So at this point, I think you guys should try the year turns at the bottom of page 263. So go ahead and pause the video, and when you're finished, come back. So we'll look at number 6. It's not telling us how they want us to solve our systems. So you could have used substitution, you could have used graphing, and you could have used elimination. All three of those would have been fine. I most of the time use elimination, so I'm going to use it for this one here. I decided to get rid of my x's, which means I'm going to multiply my bottom equation by 2, which gives me negative 4x plus 6y equals 8. My x's cancel, my y's cancel. So that whole side now is equal to 0. And when I put together or add together these two terms, it equals 17. And we know that 0 does not equal 17. So this is another example of no solution. Number 7, I decided to use substitution. Okay, so I decided to get my x by itself by subtracting 2y from the other side. Once I knew what my x was, I did plug it in place of x here. I put parentheses around that term, so I remember to distribute the 2 to both of the terms on the inside. So this says 2 times a negative 2y is equal to negative 4y, and 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And then the negative 3y I'm going to bring back into the puzzle, and that's going to equal 26. I'm going to combine like terms, which is going to give me negative 7y is plus 12 equals 26. And I will subtract 12 from both sides, which gives me a value of y is equal to negative 2. Once I know my y, I'm going to plug that into one of my original equations, and that's going to give me my x. The minute that I get a value for my x or for my y, I know that I'm going to have one solution here, and my job is just simply to figure out the other ordered pair, the other coordinate that I need by plugging in that value. So for number 8, I went back to elimination. I decided to multiply my bottom equation by 4. I decided to do that because I already had a positive and a negative x, so all I needed to do was make the coefficients match. So multiplying by 4, I got negative 12x plus 8y is equal to 4. And then my 12's cancel, my 8's cancel, so 0 plus 0 is 0. And my 4's cancel, which gives me 0 again. So again, infinite number of solutions when both of those numbers are the same.